Hi guys, and welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. I am so excited this week because I'm going to be revealing absolutely everything that you need to know about our brand new stitch along called Positivity Lifts, which starts in June 2023. Pre-order for this brand new uplifting cross stitch along project opens on Friday the 28th of April at 7 p.m. UK time. It's a mystery sell, so the overall design isn't going to be revealed right at the start, but I can share with you that it's a typography hot air balloon theme, which has been highly requested. The Positivity Lifts project also complements our Positivity Rules cross-stitch design from 2020. Instead of creating a house, this time round, the uplifting words and positive messages are going to be creating a hot air balloon instead. You might be a seasoned expert when it comes to stitch-alongs, or this might be your very first project. Either way, we're here to hold your hand through the entire process. Stitch-alongs are really exciting cross-stitch collaborative projects where thousands of people from all over the world stitch the same pattern part every single month. This project lasts for 5 months. So part 1 is released in June, and then we get one part released every single month after that. If you're a complete beginner, then this is a fantastic way to get into cross stitch or have this as your very first stitch along. We have a full support team that are here to help 24/7. We also have an amazing, friendly and supportive dedicated Facebook group, which I'll link down below. And there's over 16,000 lovely members in there that can help you with encouragement, support, motivation, but also finishing tips and tricks along the way. I think this is our 19th stitch along now, so you could say we are pretty experienced when it comes to hosting these exciting events. My name's Sally, if we haven't spoken before, and I'm the designer and founder of Caterpillar Cross Stitch, and I absolutely love teaching people how to cross stitch, creating lovely new patterns for people to stitch, and just developing and supporting our community and growing that so that there's more people that can discover cross stitch and get so much peace, relaxation and enjoyment from this craft. And if you're new around here, then please do click down below in the description box and sign up for the free VIP Stitch Club. And once that's done, you will receive a 10% off code of your first order and also a free ebook of 8 different cross-stitch patterns to get you started. So when you pre-order from Friday the 28th of April onwards, and you can pre-order and join in at any time, but we do recommend that you sign up as early as possible, you can choose from a full kit, which comes with all of the lovely supplies you're going to need, or PDF patterns only, which are emailed to you. And we also have a beautiful sun and cloud needle minder, which complements the design and the colours in the project. If you pick one of the full kits, then you will receive the beautiful Zweigart fabric that you have opted for. It's white for this project, and you can choose from 14 count Aida, 16 count Aida, or 28 count evenweave, depending on your preferences. You'll also receive a great quality DMC needle with that, and 14 stunning, vibrant DMC thread shades on one of our new style thread holders. So these are sorted, ready for you, and you can cut off as much or as little thread as you choose to use and store it on the side afterwards. Inside our eco-friendly plastic-free kits, you'll also receive full illustrated instructions, so we will help you through all of the steps that you will need to follow in order to create your beautiful masterpiece. Joining in with this Positivity Lifts stitch along is a great way to make new, like-minded friends from all over the world, but also to keep you motivated and to really enjoy the process of cross-stitching. It really does help to have that community around you and everyone stitching the same part at the same time, sharing progress photos in the Facebook group, and just support and encouragement. And it's a fantastic feeling of accomplishment and productivity when you've got that project to work on every night or every week. So please do consider pre-ordering from the 28th by tapping the link in the description box down below. Here at Caterpillar Cross Stitch, we receive some amazing 5-star reviews, both for stitch-alongs, needle minders and other cross-stitch kits. So please do check some of those out. Our members absolutely love taking part in the stitch along, and many of you guys have actually joined us for almost every single one of these projects. I also offer a 100% satisfaction and money back guarantee because I want you to rest assured that you're going to be perfectly happy with everything that you receive. We have top-notch customer service and all emails are responded to within 24 hours. And we also have full support available via the Facebook group or across social media where you can message us at any time. You can complete the stitch along at your own pace, just relax and enjoy it. It's perfectly manageable. You can do as much or as little as you like on a daily, weekly or monthly basis. There's absolutely no pressure at all to keep up. So we'll be cross-stitching 10 lovely, uplifting, motivational words in total. So 2 words will be released as the pattern part every single month. It's also a lovely theme to be cross-stitching at this time of year, as we're starting at the beginning of June. So we'll be stitching this over the summer months, and you might be considering a hot air balloon ride, you might have been on one before, but it's a lovely, uplifting, bright, joyful pattern that reminds us of the great outdoors and sunshine and wonderful things to come. When you receive your beautiful kit supplies, and we only work with the top brands, so I want those supplies and contents to be absolutely incredible quality for you guys, which really does make a difference of how much you enjoy the stitching experience. We have Zweigart fabrics, DMC needles, DMC threads, which are bright, colourful, silky smooth, they're colour fast, they don't run if you need to wash anything. And then you will also receive your PDF patterns once a month. So these are automatically emailed to you. You don't need to go anywhere and log in and download it. And they come to you on one page, split over 2, in colour and also black and white symbols only, because I know lots of you guys prefer one over the other. We include a ton of threads as well. So we calculate how much you'll need to stitch the project, and then we add more on top just in case. But in the unlikely event that you do in fact run out of thread, we will send more to you for free. We host 3 stitch-alongs every single year. At the start of 2023, we launched our British Isles Adventure, which is a travel map themed cross-stitch project, which you can still join in with if you want to, or when that's finished, it will be available as a full kit or pattern. We have Positivity Lifts, which is our mid-year sale, and then we also will be launching a Christmas stitch-along, which opens for pre-order in August of this year. You can also head over to the website, which I'll link down below, and check out some of the previous stitch-along designs, which you can now buy in full. Many of these are also typography themed, so you can take a peek at those and see what my style is like to make sure that it's something you're going to enjoy. There's also a few sneak peeks that you can take a look at, which will give you a better idea of the type of style and theme. Doing a stitch along is a great way to connect with others. We often have people email in and they are stitching along with either colleagues at work and they're doing it in their lunch break, or friends from college or university and they're stitching together in the evenings. And we also have people who might be stitching with family and friends. You might not live near them, but people are buying one, gifting one to someone else, and then stitching together over Zoom or FaceTime. If you would like to buy anything for someone else, then please leave us a note when you check out, and we can also handwrite a lovely personalised message, which we include on one of our note cards, and that will go in there for free, and we can send it directly to the recipient. And here is our gorgeous needle minder, which complements this stitch along. For this one, we have the gorgeous sun and cloud. It reflects the design itself, the colours are matching, but also I really felt like having the sun peeking out from behind the clouds matches the overall vibe of this project and the encouragement and positivity of believing that no matter how many clouds there might be, the sun is always there and it will always come out again. We have over 35 different designs of our award-winning 5-star reviewed needle minders. These keep your needles completely safe while you are stitching. So any breaks in stitching whatsoever, to answer the door, get a cup of tea, pop to the loo, whatever you're doing, pop that needle down and it will stay absolutely secure on our super strong magnets. There's one glued to the top enamel piece, which is hard enamel. It's glossy, thick and great quality. And there's one magnet at the back which sits behind your fabric. So no matter where you go, if your project is coming with you on your travels, a holiday vacation, anything at all, your needle will be perfectly safe and you'll be more relaxed because you won't be worried that it's going to end up in the sofa, someone might stand on it, or if you've got pets or small children around, that needle is completely safe. With all of the different designs, if you choose any 3, you can pick and mix. You will also receive a special Needleminder bundle discount when you check out. If you're looking for some ideas as to how you might finish off your Positivity Lifts cross-stitch project, then check out some of our other videos here on YouTube, because we have lots of inspiration around every different finishing option for you, created by our team of experts. So we will walk you through it step by step. It's not going to be finished and sitting in a drawer. You've got lots of different options. So it's a full service, full step-by-step process, not just stitching, but then finishing it off as well, hanging it up, gifting it to someone, and looking back on that and being really proud and able to enjoy what you've achieved. Also, if you're a complete beginner, we've got a full series. We've got our Cross Stitch School series here on YouTube, which walks you through everything right from the beginning. We ship our products to over 30 countries worldwide, so no matter where you are, we will be able to get your lovely stitchy goodies to you. If you are international, then I would highly recommend choosing our tracked and signed shipping option, but we also have standard shipping available too. I want to make sure that you really enjoy the process of stitching and that you are so proud of it when you're done. You'll find all of the support, love and encouragement that you need in our super friendly Facebook group linked down below. Joining in with the stitch along is such a fun but also relaxing activity. It's great for mental health if you have a lot on at the moment or a particularly busy or stressful day-to-day life. It's a great way of calming, relaxing and having some mindfulness me time of an evening or just some quiet time on a weekend, just to relax, just for you, but feeling like you've got something to keep you busy at the same time. So please do join us on our Positivity Lifts hot air balloon adventure by clicking the link in the description box below and pre-ordering from the 28th of April onwards. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.